In this video, I'm going to show you how to pause a video recording on your iPhone. Before we get started, make sure to follow and subscribe to iOS Droids. With that being said, let's begin. By default, you cannot pause a video recording on your iPhone. For that reason, we will be using a third-party app named PauseCam. The PauseCam will help you to pause the video recording. So the link to this app is present in the description of the video. Once you open the app, here you will see the red icon. Just tap on that. Again, tap on the red icon at the bottom to start the video recording. So this will start the video recording on your iPhone. Now if you want to make a pause, just tap on the pause icon and this will pause the video recording. Now again, if you want to resume the video recording, just tap on the red button again and this is going to resume the video recording. So once the video recording is completed, you will see the right tick at the top. Just tap on that and this will save the video recording on your iPhone. Now you're going to see an ad break. Just tap on watch. Just tap on the X icon. So this will start the video recording on your. So this is the video that you have recorded with PauseCam. For more detailed info, click the first link given in the description of the video. So that's it about the video, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.